For today's collie training, we're going back to some fundamentals. We're working a transference of skill principle. We're going to take 3 fundamental drills and we're going to work them on the single stick and also on the knife. The footwork is going to be more of a carenza or saya style footwork. We're going to be moving around freely with the feet, but isolating what is going on with the weapon. Hey, if you like this type of video training and workout, be sure to hit the thumbs up button, thrust that subscribe button, and join me inside of my online school over at colliecenter.com to further your collie training with me. Let's grab our gear and get going. I'm gonna put my knife in my pocket just for now. Our first drill that's up is our big X right in front of the body. We call this our angle 1 coming down the forehand and our angle 2 coming down the backhand. We're just gonna make a big X here. The first thing I want you to work on footwork wise is just work on this linear footwork forward and back. All right, let's go ahead, put the stick down, grab the knife. Same thing, we're gonna strike our angle 1 and 2, making an X in front of the body. Just start nice and easy like this, nice and smooth. And we're working on just some basic footwork, moving around. We can work that linear footwork, forward and back, and start experimenting with changing directions. Same thing, strike high, right to the head. Strike low to the knees. And to the mid, striking right to the hands. Make a big X and a small X. Big X for power and clearance, small X for speed. Drill number 2, this one's gonna work a lot of that body mechanic, especially the movements out of the hips. And we're gonna strike our angle 3 coming upward and our angle 4 coming upward. And this one we call our upward figure 8. And I want you to think of nice clean slices as if you had a sword. Cutting upwards, cutting upward. Up the forehand, the angle 3. Up the backhand, the angle 4. And feel this one. Notice how the hips have a scoop to them, almost as if you're shoveling dirt or soon to be snow. And just feel this one. Feel the mechanics. Move around, forward and back. You can even start playing around with some of that triangle footwork here. There's that reverse triangle. Reverse triangle. If you need footwork ideas, go visit my channel at Collie Center and go through the video catalog, or in the YouTube search, just type in Collie Center footwork. And you'll get a whole bunch of videos that will come up giving you good drills and ideas to incorporate your footwork with your stick work and your knife work. Let's speed it up. You can even strike high. You can tighten it up and put the strike into your wrist. Okay, strike low to the knees. Cut all the way through the opponent, from low to high. All right, let's go ahead and drop that. We're gonna work the exact same drill on the knife. From here, start nice and slow here, striking up to angle 3, angle 4. Our upward cuts, our upward diagonal cuts, right here. And you're gonna notice how the mechanics of the body is the same. And this is what we call that transference of skill. You work with the long weapon to develop that coordination, but short weapon is what really emphasizes that mechanic. Because you don't have the leverage of the stick anymore. So you really have to put in more of that body mechanic. Make some large figure eights. And don't forget to make some small figure eights as well. Our third drill that we're working is the jab, the horizontal jab. And I want you to think a little bit more like a boxer this time. You're up on your toes, and you're gonna pop out that jab. Boom, boom, pop the jab out. Pop, you can go single jab, double jab. You jab low, jab high. Jab high, jab low. Jab to the midsection, right to the hands. So look at that mechanic of the hand. Coming out like a jab. But it's kind of different because it's like you're jabbing out on a 45-degree angle with the hand so that you can get the tip of the weapon right down that center line. Forward and back. All right, let's go ahead, drop the stick, grab our knife, same thing. We're working on these jabs here. Right there. Jab up to the eyes. Jab right to the hand. Jab low to the groin. Mix it up. Combination. Low, high. High, low. Hand, high, low. Mix it up. Forward, jab backwards. Hit the refresh on this video right now and do 2 more rounds. If you have access to a heavy bag or something that you can strike, do a round with some impact training with these 3 different striking techniques and drills. Make sure to slash that thumbs up button and thrust that subscribe button and head over to collegecenter.com. Join me inside my online school for exclusive training videos, monthly live stream classes, and you can even access one-on-one video coaching. Where College Center, we can be coaching you directly in your Filipino martial arts training, practice, and skill development. I have the link down in the description below over to collegecenter.com. See y'all next time.